Hey everyone, Omar with Good Faith Energy. If you've been thinking about going solar but you're worried about losing the 30% federal tax credit, don't stress. We've got a smarter way for you to save. Even as the residential tax credit starts to phase out, you can still get an instant 20 to 30% off right now, thanks to our commercial partners. Your discount will depend on a few factors like your system size and project location. For years, the residential tax credit helped homeowners save big on solar. But now that it's changing, a lot of people are wondering, is solar still worth it? And the answer is absolutely, and here's why. We've teamed up with a commercial partner to create a program that gives you the same savings, but instantly, without waiting for a tax refund. Here's how it works. Instead of paying 100% of your system upfront, you can pay as little as 70%. Our commercial partner takes ownership of your system and claims the commercial federal tax credit, something businesses can still use even after the residential one goes away. They pass that savings directly to you, the homeowner. You get clean energy, lower bills, battery backup, and full warranties from day one. And after a few years, ownership transfers to you at minimal to no cost, depending on the system and the agreement. So here's the quick breakdown. Number one, our commercial partner takes ownership for a few years and claims the commercial federal tax credit. Number two, you pay only 70 to 80% of your system cost upfront and start saving immediately. Number three, our commercial partner covers the remaining 20 to 30%. After a few years, ownership transfers to you, no extra payments, no catch. During those few years of commercial ownership, our partner actively monitors your system and guarantees performance under the terms of the agreement. This program gives you a 20 to 30% instant discount, protection against rate increases, guaranteed system performance, increased home value, and long-term energy independence. It's solar made smarter and more accessible than ever. The residential federal tax credit might be ending soon, but your chance to save with solar is far from over. With Good Faith Energy, you can still take control of your energy future, enjoy reliable savings, and power your home with clean energy for decades to come. Don't let the end of the residential tax credit stop your solar journey. Let it spark a smarter beginning. Click the link below or reach out to Good Faith Energy today to learn more about how you can get up to a 30% instant discount on solar with our commercial partner. I'm Omar with Good Faith Energy. Thanks for tuning in.